All right, just a quick note about what is a term and what is a coefficient. Those are the two ideas in here. So it asks you to identify the terms and the coefficients. So here's the secret. Let me rewrite it a little larger so you can actually see what I'm writing. I have a 7 plus 8p minus 2r cubed. Okay, here's the secret. To break up this expression, we're going to need to separate out the terms by looking where are the pluses and minuses. So plus and minus, separate the terms. So I made those red for you. Now you can see the three terms. The three terms are 7, and then for your homework you're going to put a comma. And then the next one is 8p. And the third one is kind of tricky because you could put plus negative 2r cubed. And so that's the third term would be negative 2r cubed. So those are terms. They're parts or pieces of an expression that are separated by a plus or a minus. Got that? The next one is coefficient. A coefficient is a number that's stuck to a letter, or if it's just a letter like x, the coefficient would be 1 because you could put an invisible 1 there. So that's what a coefficient is. It's a number stuck to a letter, or it's a 1 if there's no number, okay? So is the number 7 stuck to a letter? No. So number 7 is not a coefficient, but 8 is. So we're going to put 8 as one of our coefficients, comma. And then the other one would be, don't forget the negative, negative 2. Notice on coefficients, I don't put the variables. I didn't put the p for my coefficient. I didn't put the r cubed. It's just 8 and negative 2. And that's what coefficients are. Tricky on this other one, just to show you. It has g squared. What's the coefficient of g squared? It's 1. So that one's kind of tricky because it doesn't show a number, but you could add an invisible 1. And that's what terms and coefficients are.